Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, Cheeky Bum, and I found some cute things at Dollar General today. So a couple days ago, I had seen an Instagram reel that Dollar General had some strawberry stuff slash strawberry shortcake stuff. So I had to go and see if I could find anything, and I did find a lot of cute stuff. So I have a nice big old bag here that I'm going to share, and then they also are bringing out some cute. There's like a little Mother's Day section, and they're bringing out some summer stuff. I think more of that will come in as soon as Easter wraps up. This is like the day before Easter today. But yeah, found some really cute stuff. First off, I got this little tote. They did have another tote. They had red, and then I think it had just a couple strawberries on it. It wasn't as cute as this one. This one was so cute. If this was like pink, I know that red and green are typically strawberry colors, but if this was pink, it would be so cute. These ones were $5, so I only got one, and I got it for myself, or maybe some Happy Mail. I don't know, because you could definitely like put a patch here with an initial. It's got a pocket here. You could easily put a snap in here if you wanted to. I just thought it was really cute, and it's a decent size for $5. But there was two colorways or two different styles of totes. They did have strawberry shortcake blankets and a t-shirt. I didn't get them. Like I really do like strawberry shortcake. I had them growing up. I just didn't think that I would wear the t-shirt very often, and I definitely don't need any blankets. I have so many blankets, and I live in Florida. I really just don't need them, so I passed on them, but they were cute. If I find a picture, I'll try to insert the pictures because they were really cute. They also had these little stools. They weren't very tall. I think they were maybe 6 to 8 inches tall. So I didn't know what exactly I would do with them, but they were really cute. But they were just kind of like cheap little stools, and I think they were $6 or $8 a piece. I don't remember, but the top, it wasn't like, had it been like painted on the prints. So there was one that had strawberries all over it, and then one that was pink and plaid, but it was just kind of paper stuck to the top. So I was like, man, I could do that myself and make it so much cuter. And I think I want more of like a riser than a little stool, because it wasn't very big around. It was like maybe this big around. And yeah, it was just printed paper. So I was like, I just don't know if I wanted that. So again, I'll try to insert some pictures if I can find them. I should be able to find them of the stuff I passed up on. I also found these little chip clips. Now I have purchased these like strawberry ones. Let's see, I think I actually have them right here. I purchased these ones from Hobby Lobby, so they are slightly different. These look a little cheaper than the ones from Hobby Lobby. Like the paint job isn't the best, but I liked that you got 4 for $1. These ones I paid $3.29. They were on sale because they were in like the kitchen section. The kitchen section never seems to go on sale. But you got 4 for $1, and they had pink ones. So I picked up a couple of these. I thought they would be cute to put in a swap or something like that. I also picked up these strawberries. I thought they were so cute. They had a green strawberry too, but I passed on the green strawberry. I just got red and pink. They were only $1. I thought those were adorable. This was in like by the Mother's Day stuff. It was $6. They had 2 different ones that were books. They both said the book was better. One had a bow, but it was like purple and pink, which aren't really my thing. They did have a blue book with green writing, I think. Or yeah, I think it, I don't know. But I liked this one the best, but I think like the paint jobs again are not the best. They were $6. But I think that I could like repaint this if I wanted to match whatever, but I thought it was cute because it was a book. You don't find book things very often, so if I do find them, I grab them. This was in the summer stuff. I just got one. It said Paradise Lane. I'm going to put this in my craft room. Only $1. They did have, I think it was green. Maybe it was Man, I should have taken pictures because now it's like, I don't remember. It was green or blue or possibly purple. Maybe it was purple and it said, no, I think it was blue. I don't know. It said Dreamer Lane, I think, or Dreamer Drive. I got Paradise Lane because I live in Florida. I thought it was cute, and it was pink, and I just thought it was cute. I found a whole bunch. Let me put this bag down. I found a bunch of magnets that I thought were super cute just to pop in the mail. They had a whole bunch of summer ones, but I got this one. Why be boring when you can be flamingo? Or flamazing. These are only $1. I like their little magnets. They're cute. It's a good day. I liked the color scheme of this. Don't ruffle my feathers. And then this one said, keep it breezy. They did have some new tumblers too. They had a flamingo tumbler, and then they had a green one that had pink palm trees on it. So they do have palm tree stuff, as well as flamingo stuff in their summer selection, which I like. I mean, it fits in down here. I also got these little berry, oh, this one's got some junk on it. These little berry containers, they're strawberries. They were $3. They did have a pink plaid one too, and I really thought about getting that, but I didn't know how many of these I really wanted to keep in my stash, but I think I would use the strawberries the most, so I got strawberry. Obviously, we're on a strawberry theme. I could not just not get strawberry, right? Do I have one more strawberry thing? Yeah, I do. Oh, I have two more strawberry things. I got these two. They did have a couple different colors. I think from the picture, I thought that there was a red jar as well, but I did not see that. They only had a green jar with red strawberry writing on it. Of course, I grabbed pink because most everyone loves pink. This bow isn't put on here the best, so I'd probably take this off, or I would put like a strawberry to kind of cover this glue spot. But those are cute as well. Only $1. And then last, for the strawberry things, they did have little salt and pepper shakers. Now I have some big decent sized ones that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby. These ones are smaller, but they were $3, which for the size of them, they had a ton of them, but I only grabbed one because, again, I have like the big strawberries that are really pretty. And these ones were just kind of all right. Like, I don't know, let's open this because I couldn't tell, like, I couldn't really see like the paint job or anything with the shrink plastic on them. I didn't want to get a bunch and their paint job not be amazing. Oh, these are cute though. Okay, I'm glad I got these. They're cute. So if you were not able to find the strawberry ones from Hobby Lobby, you can go get these ones. These are a cute size. Oh, this one has like a little spot on it. But I could take like a green marker, and if that's the back, it would be all right. But these are cute. I wish they were kind of both looking like this, but I can see why they would want to make them different, but they're cute. So for $3, if you couldn't find strawberries anywhere else, there you go. Now, if they would come out with lemons, they would make my day. And lastly, they were pulling out, I don't know why. These were by like the other book stuff. I'm not quite sure why, but I got these file folders because one, they're cats, and two, I think I can use them in my junk journaling, or make a notebook out of them. I could, cut them down, use my cinch, make notebooks. They had a dog one. Let's see if why can't I open this? They had dogs, and then they had capybaras, which I know some people really like those too, but of course, I got the cats. I want to be able to see them. I have lotion on my hands, so nothing really wants to open up amazing for me. There we go. So we have these kitties. These kitties. Oh, you get 6 of them too, so you get 2 of each. Those are cute. These would make really cute notebooks. So yeah, you could really like cut these down, and you could make 6 different notebooks out of these if you wanted to. So these are super cute. I might have to go back and get the other ones. The capybaras were really cute. They were sitting on flamingo floaties, and I probably should have grabbed them. But these were $3. So I was like, oh, I want to know if I'm going to do something before I buy more of them. Again, they had dogs. What kind of dogs? I don't know. I didn't really get a close look. They kind of looked like generic dogs, kind of like generic cats. But the capybaras were really cute, mainly because one of the folders, they were floating on flamingo floaties, and that was really cute to me. But this is my finds. I really hope that you can find some of the strawberry stuff out by you. I can't wait for them to bring in more of the summer stuff because I really want to see what they have for summer. Because again, they only had just a few things out. I could see like the, you know, how they stick like the planner of like where things are supposed to go like on the shelf sometimes. So when they're getting out boxes, they know where to put them. So it does look like some other really cute stuff is coming in. They did get some new Dolly stuff. So if you like Dolly, there's Dolly Parton stuff. But yeah, I wanted the strawberry stuff. That's what I went in for, and I'm so glad that I was able to find some. So yes, happy shopping out there, and good luck. And it's going to be a strawberry summer because I think, where else did I see stuff? I think it was Home Goods that had strawberry stuff as well. I can't remember, but I keep seeing strawberry stuff all over Instagram. And of course, I have all the new strawberry stuff that Chaos Crafts came out with. Was it last month or the month before? So it's going to be a strawberry summer. And I hope all of you guys are able to find stuff out there. And happy Easter. Bye, guys.